They love the 3D printers. They love to watch them. They like to see what we're printing, how long it's going to take. It's pretty mind-blowing for them. A lot of them, they've never seen anything that has been 3D printed or that is currently doing it.
You know, they love to see that, and they love to make. I go back in a lot of discussions with people about curiosity. They're fascinated about how it works.
I like that it connects directly to the lesson plan, so we can just kind of go in, this is what we want to do, then scroll all the way down and it tells us the parts and we can connect it. It was very easy and fast, and it was great to use.
One of the things that was important is that we be able to take science out of the classroom. The fact that we can collect data without the computer next to us, and we can go do things out in the field, so we don't have to take the laptop with us or the iPad with us. We can just take the Labdisc. Kids know what they're expecting before they go out. We can go out and do the activity and bring it back and download the data, and that's to a certain extent like real field science. We take our equipment out, we have the equipment set up somewhere, it's drawing in data, it's checking weather stations, and the Labdisc works the same way, because we can then Bluetooth it, we can direct connect it. We have lots of ways to get that data in addition to looking at it real time while it's collecting it.
I also like that the pieces can be used for multiple projects. So I do a lot of different projects, K through 4. Every week we're doing something different, and it wouldn't have me going out to buy the different supplies. We can just use the same supplies, but in a different manner.
It helps kids be curious across a lot of opportunities, a lot of age ranges, and for educational opportunity and growth, it's a high return on the investment, I believe, that we've put into the technology for our students.